Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about our lifesavers in this pandemic, which are vaccines. Before discussing about them, it is important that we should understand the structure of the coronavirus. At the core of the virus is a genetic blueprint called RNA, similar to DNA. It is single-stranded and acts as a molecular message that enables production of proteins in need for the virus. Bound to the string of RNA are nucleoproteins, which give the virus its structure and enable it to multiply. Enclosing the RNA genome or viral genome is the viral envelope, which protects the virus when it is outside the host cell. The outer envelope is made of a layer of lipids, a waxy barrier containing fat molecules. This layer anchors the different structural proteins needed by the virus to infect cells. It also protects the precious genetic cargo. Envelope proteins are embedded in the viral envelope and aid the assembly of new virus particles once it has infected the cell. The crown-like projections seen on the surface of coronavirus are spike proteins. They act as grappling hooks that allow the virus to latch onto host cells and crack them open for infection. Like all viruses, they are unable to thrive and reproduce outside a living host. Now let's see how the virus infects the body. The virus enters through our respiratory tract from our nose and mouth. It needs to enter a cell to reproduce. For that, it uses spike proteins, and then as it enters the cell, it infects it, multiplies and causes infection in more cells, ultimately making the person sick and sometimes proving fatal. Now, let's discuss about the vaccines, our main topic. The aim of vaccines is to prevent infection in our body. Hence, most vaccines target the spike proteins, which help the virus to infect our body, as you have seen when I discussed about the spike protein part of the coronavirus. Here are the differences between the three vaccines on various topics. The vaccines were made of which viruses? Sputnik V was made of human adenovirus, Covaxin was made of SARS-CoV-2 virus, which is the actual one, and Covishield was made of chimpanzee adenovirus. The vaccines were developed by which organizations? Sputnik V was developed by Gamaleya Institute, Covaxin was developed by Bharat Biotech, and Covishield was developed by Oxford University. The vaccines belong to which types? Sputnik V is a viral vector vaccine, Covaxin is an inactivated virus vaccine, and Covishield is a viral vector vaccine. Now we shall see the forms of the vaccines. Sputnik V is available in liquid form or dry form. The dry form is in a powder. Covaxin is available in liquid form and Covishield is available in liquid form. What is the gap between two doses of vaccines? Sputnik V has a gap of 21 days to 3 months. Covaxin has a gap of 28 days and Covishield has a gap of 12 to 16 weeks. The vaccines should be stored at which temperatures? Sputnik V should be stored at minus 18.55 degrees Celsius in liquid form. In dry form, it should be stored at minus 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Covaxin should be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and Covishield should be stored at the same temperature. Now we shall discuss about the side effects of the three vaccines. After jab, Sputnik V causes routine inflammatory reactions which are mild in nature, headache, fatigue, pain at the injection site, and flu-like illness. Covaxin causes redness, swelling, pain at the injection site, fever, sweating or chills, malaise, body ache, nausea, itching, rashes, and headache after jab. And after jab, Covishield causes pain at the injection site, redness, moderate or high fever, drowsiness, and lethargy, arm stiffness, and body ache. The efficacy of the vaccines. Sputnik V had 91.6% efficacy, Covaxin had 81% efficacy, and Covishield had 70.4% efficacy. Thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. Now, the question might arise, which is the best vaccine? I would say that every vaccine is the best, though you might choose Sputnik V because its efficacy is the highest. Just go to the hospital, take any vaccine, and come home and stay safe. And don't forget to apply the second vaccine too. And I would say that don't get scared of the side effects. There is only less chance that you would get all of the side effects. You might get only some of them, or there might be chance too that you won't get any of the side effects. So just go to the hospital, take the 2 vaccinations and come home and stay safe. Don't venture out. And how was the video? Let me know in the comments. And have you applied for any of the vaccinations, or have you got the jab? Let me know that too in the comments. So, see you all in my next video. Till then, bye everyone. Take care.